Today I am going to share crispy egg pakora recipe. Easy and quick recipe. It takes less than 10 minutes. Boiled egg, 4 pieces. Cut them into 4 pieces. Done. Egg marinade preparation. Sliced eggs transfer to the bowl. Salt to taste. Chili powder to taste. Lime juice, 1 teaspoon. Mix. Flour mixture preparation. Garam flour 1 cup. Rice flour, 1/4 cup. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Onion powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Give a good mix. Add water as required. Mix very well. Rest for 10 minutes. Coriander leaf, 2 tablespoons. Mix. Perfect consistency. Sliced egg deep with flour mixture. Deep fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.